The controversy of the sacrilegious act meted out by some miscreants during Saroi Khangba ritual on Lamta Thangja in Jiribam district was resolved yesterday under the initiative of District-Level Peace Committee Jiribam. Notably, some miscreants of different beliefs engaged in sacrilegious activities by stamping on the Saroi Khangba propitiation of evil spirits offerings at Lengangpokpi village. Peeved by the act, joint student bodies of Jiribam cried foul and drew attention of the SP to take action against the culprits involved. Subsequently, a joint meeting of Tatbung village and Meitei leaders was held at 39 AR camp situated at Kadamtala. In a meeting, those involved in the blasphemous act tendered an apology to the women folk of Lengangpokpi and assured to not commit such acts in the future. Accordingly, both sides agreed to respect each other's beliefs and refrain from engaging in blasphemous acts in the future. It also agreed that whoever violates the agreed terms shall bear the consequences on their own.